Don't already use it. You know what? Well, as you bust $1,000 it done. It's hard to save back some. So quit that. Me can't believe it done. Me can't believe it done. Me can't believe it done. No, so quit that. Yo, me have one question for you ask. How the hell me $1,000 bill done so fast? Me have one question for you ask. If it's a hole in my pocket or a loss in class. Me have one question for you ask. How the hell me $1,000 bill done so fast? Me have one question for you ask. If it's a hole in my pocket or it last. Yo, me buy one cranberry, tap up me blackberry, left 100 panterry. One hot grabber and a bills bag. By time me look round the world grandbaby. What is for me lad? How money takes so long for forward and it's easy for left. The minimum wages can't even stretch the country in a problem with deep in a debt. Me have one question for you ask. How the hell me $1,000 bill run out so fast? Me have one question for you ask. If it's a hole in my pocket or a loss in class. Me have one question for you ask. How the hell me $1,000 bill done so fast? Me have one question for you ask. For you ask if me money last. Yo, so recession are the weapon and the poor are the target. Some people ignore supermarket. Them rather trust from the bread or the star or the corner. Even though them know him we talk it. Who drive car now a take bus? Who did a take bus? Them a walk it. A taxi driver me hear a cuss a gas station. Say the gas too dear and the car him a go park it. Me have one question for you ask. How the hell me $1,000 bill run out so fast? Me have one question for you ask. If it's a hole in my pocket or a loss in class. Me have one question for you ask. How the hell me $1,000 bill done so fast? Me have one question for you ask. If it's a hole in my pocket or it last. You can't believe it done. The money bolt a pass it run. Me can't believe it done. Atete, Karim. Me can't believe it done. Wonder if it last. Me a look on the ground. All the money takes so long to come. So fast it run. Me have one question for you ask. How the hell me $1,000 bill run out so fast? Me have one question for you ask. If it's a hole in my pocket or a loss in class. Me have one question for you ask. How the hell me $1,000 bill done so fast? Me have one question for you ask. For you ask if me money last.